tab here that you pull. Huh? And then you open this. And what have we got here? Apple pencil. What? There's actually a picture of an apple, then it says pencil. Okay. So, now, you show them the box.
Here's the box.
How about the back?
In the back. Now, let's see.
Yeah, and some serious adhesive. Ah.
Next one?
I think you can put dynamite on it, then it'll open.
Just blow it up. It's the only way. Oh my goodness.
Oh, come on.
Let me give it a try.
Wait, there's tape at the bottom, it looks like.
Okay, you can show. So
There's-
it just slides out.
Oh,
Okay,
Here it is.
this is the Apple Pencil. It looks like it's in some sort of plastic cover. It's got the engraving on it.
so there's not really too much to show other than that's what it looks like. Give it a go tomorrow. All right, we washed our hands. We put our,
Gloves
which we've been
on.
doing a lot lately because of the pandemic. And
Now my hand is invisible.
we got our gloves back on. So you guys want to test out this new stable thing without that other mount? We tried. I practiced. There's no mistakes, no failures.
Welcome to iPad Pro.
All it is practice.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, it works.
It's working?
Only draw with Apple Pencil. Your fingers will be used for scrolling instead. Okay, hit okay.
Paper, Theo.
It's a little bit harder.
That's a little bit harder. Well, also the positioning. Like I could bring that lower. That might make it easier for you. Oh, that's cool. Nice, Theo.
Do you want to try, Daddy?
Cool. Sure, all right.
New note.
And this is all new. All new to me. Okay.
And fun.
It's pretty fun.
Oh yeah, it's a bit hard at first though.
Yeah, it feels hard.
Except then you feel more comfortable and it feels like drawing on paper.
Does, without a doubt.
Because your hand starts getting less heavy.
Mm-hmm. So true.
Because you're not used to doing that type of...
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
That will make it easier or
Probably make it easier, right?
pick up the shades and stuff.
Yeah.
And like more
Different types of
like sizes of brush.
Mm-hmm.
paintbrush, marker, charcoal, stuff like that.
It's in black. Oh,
It's okay. It's not exactly how I would do it, but curious if that's gonna be too heavy. Yeah, I usually don't do it that heavy, but
there's an undo button.
yeah, that's all right. I mean, I'm just playing around. Yeah, cool. Yeah, what do you guys think?
It's good.
That's
It's
pretty good.
I like it.
All right. Let's take a look. Did we
Did you see
destroy the pencil already?
No.
Welcome to Apple Pencil. Use apps in a whole new way. Create an instant note. Switch tools. Explore double tap. Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and the eraser.
Ooh, that's cool.
So you double. Oh, look at that. It tells you where to double tap. Maybe it's like on the flat part. Okay. Let's see.
Let's try. And then try to erase.
It didn't switch it though.
Can I try?
Yeah, I don't see it switching. Run. First test run for all three of us. And Theo, what do you? How many stars do you give it?
4.5.
4.5. Why not 5?
Well, it's a little bit hard.
It's a little hard. So it's not as easy as what you've been sketching on
'cause
paper.
I'm more used to doing on paper.
Oh yeah, look at that. It'll mark it. That's cool. And it's just notes. Yeah, so we plan on looking at Affinity, Adobe, and Procreate, which I think that's just for iPad, but we may want to do Adobe or Affinity so we can put on the Mac Mini, and then we can use this as a tablet. So we haven't tested that. I'll do that in another video. But this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So that's it. If you liked the video, you can give us a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, go for it. If not, that's okay. You're amazing. You're beautiful. You're talented. Always remember that. And there's no mistakes. There's no failures. All in life is practice. So we just practice, and sometimes things work out. And when it doesn't, it's just learning. All right, I love you. Have a great weekend. See ya.